I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West. I'm in Grangetown right now, talking to Westy about the impact of the cuts, which are coming up tonight at the council meeting. Westy, what will happen if the cuts go through tonight?
If the proposed cuts go through tonight, it'll have a devastating effect on the children. Some of you may have seen last week that the children went over to County Hall to get their voices heard because nobody wanted to listen to them, nobody wanted to engage with them. The play centre offers specialist stuff, specialist staff, specialist time, and you have different kinds of people there. You have special needs, disabled children.
Yeah.
They have like specialist staff. They know they can turn up there, they're not going to be bullied, they're not going to be picked on, and they're going to have like a really good time. You have like, we got Muslim children, and especially like the girls, where they can be a bit harder to mix. And they know they can come over, they can dress in whatever they want, and they're not going to get picked on. We got a lot of Eastern European children that have just moved into the area. They come over, and if you come over yourself and you have a look, you see them all happy, smiling, giving me high fives, integrating, and that's a massive thing, because Grangetown is all about integration, it's all about openness, transparency, and fairness. And I think some of those words that I've just said, the council could do a lot by looking at themselves and say, are we the same as those words?
Yeah. Well, we've got a demonstration outside City Hall today at 3:30. Well done to the kids last week. Great demonstration in County Hall. Westy, I'll leave it with you. A message to councillors tonight. What should councillors do?
If you're thinking for one moment to cut the play services, please rethink. Do not cut these services. These services are vital. There's nothing left in Grangetown. Yeah, we got the buzz. The children can't play. They can't dig. They can't climb. Wales got a massive obesity problem. So we feel we're even helping in that way. Yeah. We're very educational. So I feel we help a lot of ways in that way. Yeah. And we help lots of families in that. But just being here, we've been here for a long time, like nearly 40 years. We're an institution of Grangetown. Yeah. Most people who live in Grangetown have either visited the centre, their parents have, their grandchildren have, or their children. So it is vital that the councillors come to the correct decision, and the only correct decision and sensible decision they can make is to say no to closures, take another direction.
Good. Right, there is an amendment to the budget tonight, put forward by my group, the Plaid Cymru group, and our amendment will save the play centre, save the youth centres, and save the leisure centres as well. Okay, so it's up to you guys, every councillor out there in the city, no to cuts today. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.